Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Devan. This is the HT38. I've also done a detailed review of this. I have been constantly getting a lot of questions regarding this, so I just wanted to address all of these questions that you have been asking me on YouTube. So when I put inside the buds, this turns green, so that means the buds inside are charging. But when I connect this with the charger itself, what happens is it turns red and it blinks. Now people ask me, this never turns green, why? So the thing is, this will never turn green when you're charging. So what happens is, as soon as you plug it in, this will start charging, this will blink, and when the it is completely charged, this blinking will stop and this will just be a red light. It will not turn to green. So many people get confused by that. Don't get confused. So that's the difference. Once the charging is done, it will just show you a red light, but once these are charging, this will show you a green light. Once the earbuds are completely charged, this will automatically turn off. So that's the main difference. Another question which many people ask me frequently in the comment section is how to reset this. So I will tell you how to reset this. So you see this button here. What you have to do is open the flap and press this button for 10 seconds. That's it. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this, your earbuds will be reset. Just connect it again and hopefully most of your problems will go away, like connection problems and all those things. Of course, if one of the buds is bad, that this won't solve that. But yeah, you have asked me how to reset it. That is how you reset your earbuds. Now this does not have any app, so no apps to download in your phone. Just plug and play, connect it to your Bluetooth and listen to your music. Also, one problem with this is there is no voice prompt. So you're listening to this one, but the charge of this is going down, so there is no voice prompt. Like in other TWS earbuds, there is a voice that says, okay, charge is less, please recharge or something, but this does not have any automated voice messages in this one. So that's one problem. Also, no built-in voice assistant, Google Assistant or Siri. So yeah, that is another thing which you should know. So that's it for today guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and try to answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.